Welcome to my live. We have a cute new transfer called Biscuits and Gravy. And we have another transfer we're doing called Bless This Mess. That is what we are making on tonight's live. As soon as I get our comment feed here. So we're using the black framed Sylvie board tonight, one of our brand new boards. New, just this catalog. So it hasn't been around that long. Okay. Let's see if we can get this to load, our picture and our comment feed. So first we're going to fuzz this transfer. It's brand new. So let's get that peeled off its backing. Putting it down on the terry cloth side of the fuzz cloth. That gets a little bit of lint on it. There we go. I think we are now loaded onto Facebook here. Live feed. Okay. Okay, so I love this black framed Sylvie board. For those of us that have neutral colored walls, the darker frame stands out better. Although I do love the white frame things because the chalkboard itself is a really high contrast. I do love this board because of the dark, thick frame. Love it. Love it, love it. Okay, we're going to use our bark chocolate brown colored chalk paste. I'm splattering it everywhere. Okay, you need to grab a Clorox wipe. They work really good. So I got that all over me. Got a bubble there. Something under here. Something, it's probably just a little piece of lint of some sort, but it's not letting that silk screen lay flat. So let me, whatever that is, pull that off. Because otherwise we'll have an air bubble, and we don't want that. Okay. Bark. So how's everybody's week going? Everybody got a good work week? I start working on stuff already come August. I'll be working on my classroom and getting everything ready. So And they have been working in our school all summer, well, mostly our elementary building, but they've been working on the grounds of my school and getting things all done outside. Concrete sidewalks, taking trees down, making room for our auxiliary building that's going to be built. All these bond things that we're going to get for our school that are really cool. So it's exciting. Exciting stuff. I hope to be able to tour the elementary building so we can see what all the cool stuff is. But anyway, that's just a couple weeks away for me. Well, that turned out nice. I like that. Okay, so this one I chose to do all one color, and this is like a distressed lettering, and I love this because it kind of is the up and coming, what is trendy right now that you see on signs and stuff for your house. So this frame that we have, I love it because of the width of the frame, but I also love that you can hang it horizontal or vertical. There's a clip on either one. So that is frame one, project one. All right, so this next one, this transfer, bless this mess, and then this, I did this a couple weeks ago, the Walk by Faith transfer, and this is one of our $7.99 double-sided boards with base, and I'm going to do it to stand up like that. So let me set that to the side. We'll get our board ready and our sticky silk screen ready to go here. So I love this, bless this mess, because this is like an ongoing thing in our house, as I'm sure it is for everyone. Let me wipe this board off. Had like a little smear right there. So I love the double-sided boards that we offer, because you can have a holiday thing on one side, and then when you get tired of it, you can flip it and face it the other way, which I think is worth the money to pay for the nice board. All right, this is brand new, so I'm gonna just get some fuzz on my terry cloth. Fuzz cloth there too. All right, and I wanna make sure I leave enough room. I'd say about that much goes down into this wooden stand that this sign goes into. So but this is plenty of room down here. And our silk screens are pressure sensitive, so pressing down on it to smooth it out is going to help. Let me bring you down closer because this is a smaller board. How's that? Okay. And we're going to use eucalyptus chalk paste on this one. So let me give it a stir because it's been sitting a little bit. So you want to stir it just to give it that creamy consistency before you chalk with it. Okay. God bless you. I love this eucalyptus color. It's light enough that it shows up really well on the black chalkboard. So my kids and their slamming doors are going to drive me nuts. Don't know if you guys have the same thing, but no matter what age they are slamming doors and not even thinking twice about it. Okay, so this eucalyptus color is really pretty. Let's see what peel this silk screen off and reveal. That looks cool. And then I'm going to wash off that. I'm just going to stick for right now that transfer into my cold water bath because that's all I use to clean these. And then I can make, these transfers are reusable. So these silk screens, you can use them like 12 to 14 times is usually their life expectancy. So as long as you take good care of them, rinse them off with cold water, put it back on the backing, you can make a whole bunch of signs that way. So if you are into doing craft shows, hint, hint, these are really cute things to make and sell. I know a lot of girls in our group that do that, as well as myself. So I'm just speeding up the drying time with my dryer, but it only takes like a minute or two to get this completely dry, and then I'm good. So there we have it. So I've got Bless This Mess, which is kind of my house this week. And then when I have it all clean and tidy, I can flip it to this side. I love that. Double-sided. So there we go. There's Bless This Mess. And that's on our $7.99 board and base. And then we did the We Go Together Like Biscuits and Gravy on this black framed Sylvie board. So if you are watching this as a replay, just add in the comments hashtag replay so I know you're watching this after I did my live. And tomorrow night in Vicksburg, Michigan is Chalk Night. So if you've not been to Chalk Night, you get to come. I have all the boards and bases and chalkboards and stain boards and chalk painted boards for purchase. And you come, you pay $20, you come and use all my chalk paste colors, all my tools and squeegees and everything, and all of my transfers that I have there. And we have one of every transfer in the fall and winter catalog right now. So if you feel like getting a head start, there's a whole bunch of things. There's like Halloween ones and Thanksgiving and Christmas. There are cute little cutout pumpkins and different patterns that you can chalk onto them. There's cutout Christmas trees that are a new surface in our stock. So if you want to come and at least see what everything is and check it out, then you should join us tomorrow. You can find Chalk Night tickets if you go to either my page and go into events, and you'll see my Beth's Chalk Night or Chalk Night on there for tomorrow night. And then you can come check it out and have fun with us girls. We're going to be creating tomorrow 7 to 9. And if you are too far away, then by all means go to my page. I am slowly downloading everything, and you can shop right from my page or go to my website, which is www.chalkcouture.com/Beth Missler. And you can check out the online catalog. That is useful too. They have a whole bunch of different like cute ideas with how to use the silk screens and what kind of things you can make, and different kinds of surfaces and things. So that is all I have for you tonight. And tomorrow night I'm going to be doing Chalk Night, so I won't go live at 9, so I probably won't be back on until Saturday night. But you have a great rest of your week and have a great weekend, and I will see you back here 9 p.m. daily. Thanks for watching. Bye now.